Here I have Micromax Canvas Silver 5 and let me show you top tricks on the following device. So at the very beginning let me show you the Magnification Gesture. Let's use apps icon, find and select the settings, scroll down and choose here accessibility. Here you can find Magnification Gestures, let's tap it and let's enable this feature. So now if you triple tap on the screen, you will see the magnify screen. If you would like to change the position, let's just swipe with 2 fingers. And if you would like to quit the magnification, let's use triple tap again. That's it. This is the magnification gesture. Let's go for the second trick. So let me show you the color inversion, the color correction. From accessibility, let's scroll down and here you can use experimental effect color inversion. As you can see, here you've got inverse colors. You can also switch it off by using the same switcher and you can use color correction. So you can use, for example, the blue yellow or the red green. Let me just enable this feature. And this feature also may affect on the performance of the device. That's it. Let's go for the third trick. Let me show you the blur effect. So let's use here the display under device. Scroll down, choose blur effect, and let's for example use blur effect on lock screen. So now if you lock your device, you will see the blur screen. That's it. If you disable this feature, you will see the normal wallpaper. That's it. Alright, now let's go next and let me show you the scheduled power on, power off. So from the settings you can also choose here scheduled power on and off. As you can see, you can switch on your device, for example, every day at 7 AM. You can change every day into some other weekday, and you can also switch it off device, for example, every day at 11 PM or something like that. So that's it. Let's go back and let me show you the last trick. So let me show you the interruptions mode. Here you can find the user profiles under device. You can choose here interruptions and you can here use, for example, the following modes. Always interrupt, allow only priority interruptions, and don't interrupt at all. In allow only priority interruptions, you can choose the time range, and you can allow some interruptions, for example, from some favorite colors, from some events and other stuff. So that's it, everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.